This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cold brew tea. Start by choosing high-quality loose leaf tea or tea bags and use filtered cold water. Measure tea to water ratio so you get a consistent strength, then gently stir and cover the container. Place it in the fridge for the recommended steep time based on tea type, and strain or remove bags before serving chilled. Pick the type of tea to match your flavor goal and caffeine needs. Black tea benefits from a stronger ratio, while green and white teas need less leaf to avoid bitterness. Use about 1 tablespoon loose leaf per 8 ounces of water as a baseline, then tweak steep time in the fridge to taste. Herbal blends often need longer steeping for full flavor extraction and sweetness. Chill your tea in the refrigerator while it steeps to keep flavors clean and crisp. Aim for roughly 6 to 12 hours, depending on how strong you want the brew and which tea you used. Strain out leaves or remove tea bags after steeping to avoid bitterness. Keep the finished cold brew in a sealed pitcher for up to 4 days, and serve over ice with a splash of citrus or simple syrup if you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.